How to reset Twitter or X password if you forgot it. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. And as you do that, you can launch your Twitter application on your device over here. So here what you need to do is simply tap on the option of phone, email, or username. So just mention your username or email ID, and then you'll be able to see the option of forgot password at the bottom of the screen. Select on that, and as you select on the forgot password option over here, you just need to enter your email ID again. Then tap on next, and it will send the verification code over here. You can also use a username if you remember. So let me just write the name and then tap on next, and make sure that your username is correct. And after you enter your correct username, you'll be sent a verification code, and you just have to enter it, and then you'll be able to create new password. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.